Imagine a world where you are bestowed with the keys to financial nirvana, where VIP services and premium credit card perks are not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Make sure to watch the entire video to discover crucial tips on how to raise or maintain your 800 credit score. Don't miss out on these valuable insights that can help you achieve and preserve a top-notch credit rating. Achieving a credit score of 800 is a key to unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities with lower interest rates, better loan approvals, and most enticingly, access to premium card perks that can make life considerably more luxurious. In this comprehensive guide, we will navigate through the essential steps and strategies to elevate your credit score to this elite level, ensuring you can enjoy these benefits without compromising your financial health. Credit scores are numerical representations of your creditworthiness, derived from your credit history. They are crucial because they determine your ability to borrow money and the conditions under which you can borrow. Achieving a score of 800 places you in the top tier of borrowers, opening doors to numerous financial benefits. Why aim for 800? This magic number not only enhances your borrowing capacity, but also brings with it a myriad of premium perks, such as lower interest rates and better terms on loans and credit cards. Understanding your credit score is the first step towards managing it effectively. Let's explore the factors that influence your score and how you can optimize them for financial success. High credit card debt can severely hamper your credit score. It indicates to lenders that you might be over-leveraging yourself, which increases their risk. Keeping your credit card debt below 10% of your total credit limit is a golden rule. This low utilization rate signals to creditors that you are managing your credit responsibly, which can significantly boost your credit score. Here are practical tips to maintain your debt at a manageable level, ensuring that your credit score does not take a hit due to high credit card balances. Lifestyle credit cards, offering various luxuries and rewards, can be very tempting. They often come with high fees and encourage spending on luxury goods and services which might not be sustainable. The key is to assess your financial ability before opting for such cards. If the high cost of premium credit cards and potential debts could strain your finances, it might be wise to steer clear of those cards. Let's explore how to make this decision wisely, balancing the allure of immediate perks with long-term financial health. Regular monitoring of your credit score is essential. It helps you understand how your financial actions affect your score and allows you to react swiftly to any inaccuracies. Errors in your credit report can drag your score down. Learning how to check your reports and effectively dispute inaccuracies is crucial. Here's a guide to keeping your credit report accurate and your score high. Credit utilization. The ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits is a significant factor in credit scoring. Keeping this ratio low is vital to maintaining a high credit score. The importance of making credit payments on time cannot be overstated. This behavior is a key indicator of your reliability as a borrower. Late payments can have a devastating effect on your credit score. Having a diverse array of credit accounts can positively impact your credit score. It demonstrates to lenders that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. From credit cards to mortgages, managing a variety of credit lines is a refined skill. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made. which can lower your score. Hence, it's prudent to apply for new credit sparingly. Understanding the impact of these inquiries and knowing how to minimize them can protect your credit score from unnecessary dips. The age of your credit accounts has a favorable impact on your credit score. Older accounts provide a longer credit history, which is beneficial for your score. Deciding when or if to close these accounts requires careful thought. Collections and defaults can severely impact your credit score. Handling them correctly is crucial for your credit recovery. Negotiating with creditors can be an effective way to manage your debts and improve your credit situation. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your credit. Maintaining a high credit score requires continuous financial discipline. Daily habits and long-term practices play a crucial role. Here, we'll explore the habits that can help maintain and even improve your credit score over time. With a high credit score, you unlock the door to premium credit card perks, adding significant value to your life. Here are 8 tips to help you achieve a credit score of 800 or above. 1. Pay your bills on time. Timely payments are crucial for maintaining a high credit score. 2. Keep your credit card balances low. Aim to use no more than 10% of your available credit to show responsible credit utilization. 3. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Opening multiple accounts in a short period can negatively impact your credit score. 4. Monitor your credit report regularly. Check your credit report for errors and address any inaccuracies promptly. 5. Maintain a diverse credit mix. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, loans, and a mortgage, can positively impact your score. 6. Keep old accounts open. Long-standing accounts with good payment history can boost your credit score. 7. Limit credit inquiries. Multiple hard inquiries within a short time can lower your score, so be cautious when applying for new credit. 8. Be patient and consistent. Building an excellent credit score takes time and responsible financial habits, so stay focused on your goals. By following the detailed strategies and insights provided in this guide, you'll not only boost your credit score to 800, but also unlock the VIP services and premium credit card perks that come with maintaining such an exemplary financial status. If you enjoy the content and would like to see more like it, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell icon for notifications. Your feedback is valuable, so drop a comment below to suggest topics for future financial and real estate videos. Your engagement helps me create content that you love.